Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through app appearance on Snapchat not working or appearing. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. There are a couple of reasons why it's not appearing, and they just fixed this, so it should be working. I'm going to walk you through both of them right now. App appearance is how you get to dark mode on your Snapchat. It is available with a brand new update. So the first thing you need to know is that you need to update your phone completely, update the Snapchat completely up until today's update, and then it should be working fine on your phone. I'll walk you through how to do that now. There's two ways to do it. If I get out of my Snapchat and I go to my app store, and then I type in Snapchat in the search bar, it'll pop up with Snapchat and you'll see this update button. Go ahead and update it there and then re-log into your account, and it should be appearing now, the app appearance button. If it says it's fully updated here, there is a workaround. Sometimes there's just like a glitch where it doesn't say you have an update and it'll just say open, like if it was a random app and it says open, meaning like it's fully updated. And I'll show you where to get a different update. If I get out of Snapchat or out of my app search and I go back to my Snapchat app, and then I go to my profile at the top left-hand corner, and then settings at the top right, and then I scroll all the way down until I see feedback. And underneath feedback, it says I spotted a bug. Go ahead and click on that. And this automatic message appears, and you can reinstall the newest update here. And it's only if you could do it this way, or you can go to your app store. But if your app store is missing and it doesn't say an update, go here to this bug area and then go ahead and install the new update here and then re-log out, and it should be working fine. The only other reason why it would not be working and would not be showing up is that if your phone is not compatible with this new app appearance with the dark mode. So if you have a really, really old phone and dark mode doesn't work on your phone, then it's not going to work here and your app appearance is not going to appear because it's not going to be compatible with your device. So those are the only two reasons why it should be missing. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.